Hey guys, welcome back to another Southwest video. And today, oh geez, that scared the living crap out of me. And today we have spawned in a beautiful 737, and I'll show you. Speaking of Southwest, we actually are in a Southwest plane. This is kind of related to my profile picture. Now today we're going to be looking at the compressor stall. If you guys don't know what the compressor stall is, then I'll tell you when this happens. But first I'm going to turn on the seatbelt signs. Okay. Yeah, I zoomed in my accident. Oh, what the? Oh, there, I'm stupid. Alright, so the seatbelt signs are on. Now let's rotate and take off. And yes, we are in a 3D beautiful cockpit. If you haven't seen the last video, there was a 2D cockpit, and it was the 30s Wright brothers plane, just like the title said. Of course, parking brakes. Oh my god, stop. I just forgot about the flaps and the parking brakes, so ignore that. So here we're about to take off, and we're going to show you what the compressor stall is. So yeah, we're starting to get a little airborne. Yeah, I hope I don't tail strike. Alright, we're gonna watch the tail. This is the first time I ever showed you a Southwest plane in my channel. Even if my name is Southwest. Oh god, 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 oh god. Oh my goodness, jeez. Tail strike. That's frustration. Alright, so the plane decided to get airborne. Let's get up the gear, which is G key. I've already known that since the beginning. And when I do Control F, you'll see what a compressor stall is. And I'm actually going to show you a replay because I'm going to do the entire flight myself. So yeah. So right now the compressor stall isn't working because when I do Control F, it clearly isn't working. Let's see the setting. Alright, so now where's my, oh there it is. Now when I hit Control F, this is going to happen. For some reason it's not working. I'm just going to show you a video instead. So this is an example of a compressor stall. It's where the engine repeats its fire back and forth. And this happened last week in a Philippine Airlines Boeing 777. But since the compressor stall clearly doesn't work, I'm just gonna end this video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.